Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make awesome animations in your Elementor website. So you can see that we have this website here, Animation Addons for Elementor. So you can see that here we have so much option how we can use this beautiful plugin to make this type of animation. So let me show the demonstration of the plugin first, and then after that I will show you how to install this plugin. You can see that here we have this website, and you can see that we are on the homepage of this website. And the name of the website is Animation Addons. So you can see that here we have the starter templates option, 10K. Here we have all of this feature options. So what feature you can make, like here you can make the sticky pin element, split text animation, image reveal on hover. So I will show you all these things one by one. Okay, so first let's check the pricing of that. So you can see that here we have this type of option. So if you want to check the pricing, you can go below. Here you will find all the pricing details. I think here we have all the pricing details. So you can see that here we have the first site option. So this is for the $23.6, and if you want to buy this for the 5 sites, you can check it out here. And this is for the 10 sites, and this is for the 100 sites. Okay, let me show all the options which you get from this plugin. So here you can see that we have this option. Okay, so here you can see that we have this type of animation which we can make by using this plugin. Okay, so when we are at the start, so when we scroll, so this type of animation are called the page scroll animation. So when you scroll the page, this will become bigger. Okay, so you can make this type of animation by using this. Also you can see that here we have this type of animations also. So when you scroll below, then this card will go one by one. You can see that here we have pre-built website templates. So if you want to install this type of template, you can install this plugin, Animation Addon, and you will get this type of templates also. So let me show the demo of some templates. So here you can see that we have the free version of the template also, and also we have the pro version of the template. So let's check one of the things here. So here you can see that, let's check this template. We are tech consultancy site. Okay, so here you can see that you have so much options here: branding agency, AI startup, IT consultancy, web agency, digital agency, software landing. So you can see that here we have so much templates here. Okay, so here you can see that I have open this starter template here. So here you can see that when you scroll below, you can see that here we have so much animation, and this type of animation is also part of the GSAP animation. Okay, so let's scroll below. Here you can see that we have this type of animation here in this website. Okay, so here you can see that all of these animation examples are there. So if you go below, here you can see all of this animation. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see we have this type of horizontal scroll animation also. So you can add this type of animation also in your website. So I will show you step by step how to make this type of animation also. So if you can see, you can make this type of horizontal scrolling animation also in your website. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see that we have a seamless smooth scrolling animation for WordPress website. So here you can see butter smooth scroll. So you can see on the page scroll, these sections are coming and the page is stuck here. Okay, so when this section ends, then you can move to other section. Mean the page will start scrolling again. So right now the page is scrolling, but it is sticky, and this section is automatically coming one by one. Okay, so you can see that now we are able to scroll, and if you go up, so you can see that now this section will go one by one down again. Okay, so you can make this type of animation also by using this plugin. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see we have Explosive 25 plus extension to enhance pre-design website. So you can check out here, browse all extensions. Okay, here we have the draw SVG option also. So you can build this type of animations like this. Then you can see here we have the annual and the lifetime plan. So if you want to buy this plan, you can check out these things. Okay, so let's go below, and here we have all of these reviews and all. So you can check out this website. So let's install the free version of this plugin, and I will show you how what things you can make by using the free version of this plugin, and after that I will install the pro version of the plugin also. Okay, so you can see that we are on this one. Okay, so let me show the what are the themes I'm using. So for this I'm using so let's install a theme which is fully Elementor compatible, because this is the Elementor add-on. So let's install this Hello Elementor theme. Okay, then after that I will delete all of the rest themes. So let's activate this theme. After that we can deactivate, let's delete this theme, the old theme. Okay, so then after that let me show the plugins. So here you can see that the plugins which I am using are the Elementor and its pro one. So let's go to the add plugin option, and here we're gonna install the free animation add-ons animation. So you have to just search for this plugin. So let's see what or the options which we get from the free version of the plugin. So here you can see we have this plugin, Animation Addons for Elementor, GSAP powered Elementor add-ons and website templates. So this is made by Wheel Coder. Okay, so you have to install this one only. Okay, so I will show you the free version, what you get things from the free version. Then after that we can move to the pro version, and I will show you all the widgets and things. Okay, so you can see that we have the free version of this. So let's go to the continue. So here you can see we are on the getting started. Here we have the basic configuration recommended. So let's go continue. Okay, so here you can see that activate widgets you want to use. So let's enable all. So what are the feature which we get from the free version? Let's enable all. Okay, so I will try to show all of this feature one by one. Okay, so here you can see that you can enable all of this. So let's enable this also. Okay, so here you can see, so if you don't want to enable all of this, so you can check out you can check one by one. So you can see that here we are only able to enable only the free version. So these are the pro version, that's why they are not enabled here. Okay, let's enable this also. These are the video widgets, advanced widgets. Okay, so let's continue this. Then after that you can see here we have the activate extension if you want to use. So let's enable. So here you can see, so these are all the pro version. So right now you can see that we are not able to activate this. So let's continue and explore 200 pre-built website templates. You can also explore this. So we're gonna explore this also. Okay, so let's continue again. And after that, if you want to buy the pro features, you will get this type of information like 29 pro widget, 24 plus pro GSAP extension. All of these features are in the pro version. So right now we are exploring the free version only. So let's go to the dashboard, and after that we are on the dashboard. Okay, so here you can see we have this type of settings. Here you can see we have the global settings. If you go to the global settings, you will find so much settings here. So let's go to this one. Okay, so here I think we have to set the default kit in the Elementor. Okay, so this is the theme builder. So let's check this also. I think these are all the part. Okay, so here you can see that in the free version also you are getting the theme builder. So in this version you can make the header, footer, archive, 404 page, single page, and the loop builder. So in the free version only you are getting this type of option. So if you want to make the loop builder, you can make by using this. Also, if you want to make the single post page, archive, 404, search page, header and footer, so you don't need to install any other plugin for that. You already have this feature in the free version only. So here you can see that we have the setting option. So let's see one by one what are the settings. So here you can see you can set the default kit here. Okay, so you can set the default kit for your website. So here you can see we are on the settings. So here you will find this type of things. Okay, here you can import custom. So here if you go, you can import the pages here, I think. So if you want to import any pages, so you can check out here all of the pre-built pages. Suppose you want to import any page, so you need the, I think let's check the free version first. So if we check the free version, I think so, okay, so you can see that here we have this type of pages which are available to import for the free version. You can also preview this by clicking on this. So you can click on this and you can preview this. So here you can see all of these options. So these are all the pre-built pages that you can import in your website, and you can customize this according to your content. Okay, so you can see they have some basic animation. Okay, so we have this option also. Then after that you can see we have the custom fonts of also custom fonts option. So here you can add some custom fonts which we suppose you have some website and you don't want to use any and if you want to use some fonts which are not from the Google font, then you can install that font here. Here we have the CPT builder also. So these are the custom post type builders. So what we are used by using the ACF plugin. So if you want to make, so if you want to have those features, so you can also make the CPT builder here. Okay, no need to install the plugin for this again. So here you can make the CPT type. Here we also have the taxonomy filters also. Okay, then after that we have the theme builder which we already talked. Okay, so let me go to the pages option, and here in the pages option let me show you what are the things which we get. So let me make it to the trash, and I'm gonna add a new page here. Okay, so I'm gonna add a new page. Okay, so let's add the new page here, and here I am gonna add a home page. Okay, so right now we are exploring the free version of the plugin, and after that I will and in the next video we're gonna explore the pro version of the plugin. Okay, so right now let's see what are the things which we get from the pro version, means the free version of the plugin. So here we can edit this, so let's click on this edit. Okay, so it will open our main page. So you can see here, you can see we can go to the sticky. So here you can check all of the features. Suppose you want to check the feature, what is this sticky pin effect, so you can check the example here. So you can see here we have this type of example. Okay, so this will sticky pin effect. Okay, so you can check out all of the example in the website one by one. Here we have the split text animation effect. You can also check this. Here you can see the text are getting split here. Okay, so you can see, so these are the things which you can do by using this plugin. Okay, so here we are on the home page. So let me click on this edit with Elementor. Okay, in the next video we're gonna explore the pro version. So what feature we are getting from the pro version. Also we're gonna import the some pre-made kits in the free version also, and then we can explore the pro version after that. Okay, so and this video is also sponsored by the Animation Addons for Elementor. So you can see here we have this type of things, so we can also minimize it. So let's minimize it. Okay, so you can see here we have all of the add-ons, means all of the widget which we get from the Animation Addons. So here you can see we have the image box, here we have the image box slider. Okay, so this type of the free option you will get. Okay, so you can see you are getting this much feature in the free version only. Okay, so this is very great. Here you can see all of these options. So let's check some feature of this. So suppose if you want to add the animated text. Okay, so let me add a new container here first. Okay, so we're gonna add this container, and here let's go to the widget again, and here you can see we have, suppose I want to add this animation. Okay, so let's start with animated headline. Suppose we want to add the animated headline. Let's add some padding also, 80 pixel to the top and 80 pixel to the bottom. Here we can also add width 1300. Okay, so here you can see we have this heading option, and here you can change the name of this, the heading. Okay, so whatever name you want to give, here we can choose H2, H1. Okay, so these things are there. Here you can see we have the animation colors. Okay, here you can see we have this color. Okay, here you can see we have the end color. So here you can see we have this type of things. Okay, so you can check out this end color. Here you can see both colors are there. So let me do, here we can set any text color here. Okay, and here also you can see here we have the tooltip option. So this is for the free version. Okay, so this is not for the free version, you can see. Okay, here you will find the custom CSS option also for the free version of this. Okay, so let's publish this once and see what this will show us. So we can just view this page. Okay, so here you can see that nothing is changing right now. So you can just go and check it out how this work. Animation colors option are there. Okay, now check some other widgets, like here we have the image box. So let's drag and drop this image box. Okay, so in this also you can see here we have so much style, so we can have the style 2. Okay, here we have the style 3. Okay, here we have the style 4. Okay, so you can see you can just go here and replace all of these images. Okay, so let me upload one image here. Let me go to downloads, and here I can upload any image. Suppose I want to upload this image. Okay, so in the free version you can see you can have so much these things. Okay, so you can just duplicate this also. Okay, so you can also check there are image box slider, image hotspot, testimonial you can make. Okay, so you can see that in the free version we are only getting the widgets, no such animation options are there. Suppose you can see we have the image box. So right now you can see all of these settings. We have link type button and image, we have content, we have. Okay, so these type of options are only available in the free version. We can't do any such animations here, I think. So you can see animation things have, for that we have to install some pro version of this. So you can still add some animation things, but not that great. Okay, so let's try to add some button for this. So let's search for this button. Okay, so here you can see we have the advanced button. So let me drag and drop the, let's see what is this. So here, okay, so here you can see we have so much style options, style too. So okay, so you can see that we have this GSAP animation button. So this option I like. So let me duplicate this. Let's see what are the other options. Here you can see the style 3. We have this. Okay, so you can see this type of button in so many websites. So these are built by using the GSAP. So here you can see we have this. Okay, so if you want to make this type of animation by using the CSS and the JavaScript, it will take so much time. So let's go to the style 5. Okay, so you can see we can make this type of buttons also, and we can also, let's check the style 6. Okay, here you can see, let's check the style 7. Okay, so you can see you can just fully customize it by clicking on the style also. You can just change the color and all. Okay, we have the style 8. We have this style 8. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so let's publish this. Also you can check it out, all of these templates here. Here you have the so many widgets. Okay, here we have the animated title. So let's check what is this. Okay, so this is the animated title only. Add or heading text here. For highlight, keep text. Okay, so all the things which you keep inside this will be highlighted. Okay, here we have the text animation. Okay, so this will also come in the pro version only. So you can check it out that in the free version we are only getting the widgets. We don't have any so much customization option for the animations. Okay, so here you can see all of these are the pro versions only. Okay, so let's try to import some pages also, pre-built pages. Let's see. If you go to the pages, so you can see we have these options. Okay, so we can check out here categories. All of these categories are there, so you can see. Okay, all of these things are there. Okay, so let's me go here and we're gonna refresh this. Also, let's try to import any pre-made templates. So let's see if you are gonna if we are able to import that or not. So let's go to the page import and let's try to import one page. So let's try to import one free page. So let's see how this works. Suppose I want to import this free. Okay, suppose I want to import about us page. Okay, so you can also preview this first. Suppose you want to preview all of these pages. So you can see you will have so much options are there. Okay, so you can see so much options are there. Here you can see, so you can preview it one by one. Suppose I want to install this. Okay, so we have this type of borders also. So what we have to do, we have to, okay, so this is also the pro version part. So let's click on the free. Okay, so you can see we are getting this. So let's try to import this. Okay, so here you can see it is creating your page and it is importing. Okay, so in this way you can import this type of pages. So I think in the free version also you are getting so many widgets. Also you are getting so many pre-built pages and pre-made templates. Okay, so I think if you want to, so if you don't want to buy the pro version, you can check it out all of these pages also. Okay, so you can see these pages are fully imported and you can use these pages by fully customizing this according to your content. But if you want the full-fledged feature of this plugin, then you should buy the pro version of this plugin. Okay, so in this video you can see we have explored the free version of the plugin. Okay, so in the next video I will show you what are the pro features of this plugin. This type of videos, we regularly make this type of videos. So if you are new to our channel, like and share our videos with your friends, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see you next time.